Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to unbox a new comics, Odaion. I have heard, and maybe you also have heard a lot of about Odaion. The main character is anti-hero and is character based from South India, and whatever the graphics or the character avatar, it looks very interesting. So I ordered it from Hello Book Mind. Previously all my videos were on Raj Comics, so and some of your can try, and this one is from different publication. This one is from level 10. So let's unbox this one. The packaging of Hello Book Mind is always good. This one is invoice. The bubble packing protects from damage. I think this packaging is good because it doesn't add to the weight and yet protect the comics or them from damage. Very impressive package. There is another layer. This size is looking good, but I think this is a little bit different from other this. So as you can say, I told you the avatar is very cool and it's very interesting. I think this is one of like the Kathak dance or something in the south. There is a dance form that's a face is painted like that. This is the Odaion, and this is the second part. This is named as Arambam. This is Yuddham. This one is a free gift. I asked for this Premchand, and a single comics Guru Bhogal. Actually, I am reading Amar Prem series these days, and I ordered 12 comics from the series. There are total 18. So I am collecting the all rest 6. You can watch that in my previous video, Amar Prem series. So out of the 6, Guru Bhogal was one of them. This is a free gift. So let's talk about Odaion. This one is on punch, and there is a little band. You can this has some critical acclamation. This one is the face. It's not glossy, but paper is good, artwork is good. It's in black and white color. You can see how the is very powerful. Looks like lots of violence. This one is another one. Lots of ancient temples, buildings are there. It shows the Indian culture, perhaps. So these are the 2 comics, level 10 comics. Now I want to talk about Odaion, that I don't know the story is complete in these 2 paperbacks or not, because I have heard in another video and another people that the this publication is not publishing Odayan now, the new story or something. It has not completed the story in the paperback form, but in the digital form it is completed. There is an app, Readware. So there is available. There is perhaps 10 comics, digital comics is available there. So that story is completed in the digital form, but I don't know the paperback is completed or not. These two issues are available on Hello Book Mind, so I ordered this paperback issues. Pages are of 92 pages in this one, and 92 pages this one. The outer cover is very this outer cover is hard, it's very protective, and actually the character avatar is very cool. It looks very fierce, it's very impressive, and based on Indian values, Indian characters. It shows the roots of India. So unlike other foreign publication, this shows the Indian culture and shows a super powerful hero which originates from India, particularly South India. So I will read these two comics, and perhaps I will make a review video on the Odayan. And if you want to know the price, 195 each for the comics, and Guru Bhokal for 50, so total 440. So if you buy only Odayan, you have to purchase for around 390, 195 each. So for two you have to 195. So that's all for today now. So you can purchase Odayan from Hello Book Mind. Stay tuned, I will be with a new unboxing in my next video. Thank you.